Hey guys, welcome to Crochet Rebellion, and this is your quick crochet tip for today. We all end up with ends at the end of our project. One of the things that separates excellent crocheters from average crocheters is the way that they use those ends to finish their projects. Especially with a project like this where it's one-sided, you really want to look and see what can I make better with this teal. If you see here, this is where the seam is in my color, and you can see that because this is where the join in my round was, my tension is uneven. It's not as even as it is through the rest of my project. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. I'm simply going to weave in my ends in order to fix that. So my end starts here. I'm going to move this one out of the way and watch. It goes in, just like I'm hiding my yarn, and then I go out. And I'm going to pull that tight. I'm going to skip this piece right here. This was the first loop I went under. I'm going to use this loop to anchor my yarn, and I'm going to go back in the other direction, exactly as if I was weaving in an end, except that once I get to the other side, I'm going to give it a little bit of a tug to make sure that I'm closing that gap in my tension. Boom. So you can see how now the first row is closer. I'm simply going to repeat that all the way down until I close this gap here, and it's going to make my work look more polished. So when you have ends, you should figure out how you can use them to make your project look better. Happy crocheting!